Good morning. It's been a while, so I thought I'd do a little update on the chickens. I'm going to go out and let them outside. Take the egg basket just in case, with of course my phone in it. Because, you know, gotta catch them all. And there could be one out there. But mainly the chickens. And Smudge. There you go. Go outside. So, we put some weed and feed down. And then I thought, well, I wonder how long before the chickens can go back on the yard. Well, as it turns out, the company that makes it recommends a year. A year before chickens and other grazing animals go outside. So, luckily we ran out, and this part inside that net fence didn't get weeded and feeded. No weed and feed went on it. So we made this, and they have this yard inside that fence that they can go in every day. They don't have the whole rest of the lawn, but that means I don't have to watch them to make sure that they're not getting in the greenhouse or in the garden. Look how big that garden's gotten. It's so huge. We'll go check it out in a little bit. So we got this net from the boys. They let us borrow it. Good morning, ladies. Look how big they're getting. They're so big. They're like, Mom, let us out. They don't get to, no running free during the night, because there's all kinds of critters that'll come and get them. Raccoons and cats and I don't know what all. I don't know, owls. But anyway. So they're locked up in there where it's safe, and they've got a roof. But look at them. Look at them come running out. Hey, girls. And we've got them banded. You can almost see the pink band on her leg. Here's a Silky also with a pink band. That means she's Sophie. And the Silky with the blue band is Zoe. And then the dark one with the blue band is Sunshine. And the speckled one with the blue band is Bluebell. Anyway, so they're so happy that they get to be out in the yard, because it was a week or two that they couldn't come out. Let's see if there's any eggs, any early morning eggs, so I don't trip coming in. Sometimes they lay on the floor. Well, hello, Bluebell. What you doing? Let's see. Nothing in here. Nothing in here yet. Sometimes there's something over here. Doesn't look like it today. Okay, so no eggs yet. They're laying around 5 to 6 eggs a day. They go back here too. They've made like nests in the pine cones because they're strange girls. Strange. Hi, Georgia. Georgia has a pink band. Good morning. Good morning, Georgia. How are you? She's still the smallest of her sisters. Not counting, of course, the Silkies. Look, look. Hello, Bluebell. Hello, Bluebell. Are you gonna bite my... Come here. Yeah, bite me. Try. She always goes for the skin right between the... Come here. Come here. What's going on? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here, Bluebell. You are a tease. Look at you. Sometimes they'll crouch down and let me pet them. She's just being sassy this morning. As are they all. Always sassy. Alright, let's get them some. I know they don't need any extra food right now. And you can sure see. Look how fat you are. Look how fat you are. My goodness. That's Becky. And here's Buffy. Becky has the pink band. And Buffy has the blue one. Or the gray one, I guess. What is that, Buffy? What is it? You're so funny. Who's here? Oh, it's Bluebell again. That Bluebell. That Bluebell. Silkies. We think that some of the Silkies might have started laying. We've gotten 2 itty-bitty little tiny eggs. They're about the size of, I guess, a large marble. And both of those teeny tiny eggs have had no yolk. No yolk in those eggs, just white. I've never seen that happen. It was weird. But they were just teeny weeny. Is that Bluebell again? Bluebell, is that you? I can't see your leg. Come here. Come here. Hi, it is you. What are you doing? Come over here. Come here. Come over here. Come here. Yeah, see what? Did you see that? Come here, you goofer. You goofer. Come here. Silky. Run, Silky, run. Chick, chick. Chick, chick. Come on. Come here. It's just their grains. I just give them a tiny bit in the morning. Just as a treat. Come on. You guys can have some of these. Just a little bit. The door. The other side of the door, girls. Come on. Chickens are not real bright. I love them. But pretty sure they're a couple eggs short of a dozen. Just saying. Look at her. See? Go around the door, you ding-dongs. Ding-dong chickens. There you go, Georgia. Buffy, go around the door. Seriously? Go around the door. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh my. Come on. Yeah, come on. Oh, you almost made it. You are such a goofball. Go around. Yeah. Here. Hunch down. Crouch. Do it. That's not crouching, you goofball. No, you gotta move. Move. I'm gonna trap you in the door. You're getting trapped. No, really? Get out of there. Ding dong. Oops. There she goes. Gee whiz. Dumb as rocks, I tell you what. Dumb as rocks. What are you doing, Silky? There you go. Eat. Eat. Silly. They like it when the hose drips. I want to get some of those automatic chicken waterers. They're kind of like a hamster, you know, with the hamster thing comes down and the water comes to the tip of it. And they have something like that for chickens. Jeez, you guys, you're kicking up all the dust. Hey, who's this? This is Shadow. There goes Shadow. They act like they never get food. They get these scratch grains 3 times a day because they're spoiled. Plus, they're out in the main yard where there's all kinds of bugs and grass for them to eat. Plus, we give them greens from the garden and leaves and stuff. Plus, they've got, you know, food that they can eat whenever they want. They're not hungry, they just like their scratch grains. Silky, you are filthy. You are absolutely filthy. Look at her. She's disgusting. Oh, yeah, come here. Come here. Come up here. Look at her ear. The Silkies have blue ears. It's the coolest thing. Say hi. Say hi, Silky. Say hi, who are you? Oh. Yes, you're Sophie, aren't you? You're Sophie. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. She looks very serious. Are you a very serious girl, huh, Sophie? Are you? Did your mama let you down? There you go. That's a good girl. Good girl. Bluebell, you be nice. I saw that. Don't think I didn't. They're a sassy bunch. Sassy bunch of girls. Goofies. Big bunch of goofy girls. They're my sweeties, though. What are you doing, Zoe? You know, some people bathe their silkies. I guess probably they were only the show chickens. But I'll tell you what, looking at them, they get over here when it's hot out. And this is supposed to be lawn. Not much of a lawn, you know, like this, but they have scratched it and they dig holes in it. You can't see the holes right now, but they'll cover themselves half in dirt. And they'll stand up and dirt cascades out of their feathers. And it's usually her. Yeah, Becky, I see you. And both of the silkies, and sometimes one or the other ones. But those silkies get in that dirt and they cover themselves up half with dirt. They stand up and dirt cascades out of their feathers, and they're absolutely filthy white chickens. Crazy. But I guess it's supposed to keep them cool and keep bugs away from them. So they do that, and it's just hilarious to watch them all out here. 3 or 4 of them in this little spot right there. Just all covered in dirt. They're crazy. You like that, Sunshine? You like drinking the water from the hose? Georgia, good morning. I got a bone to pick with you. Come here. Oh, good girl. Good girl. It's a little bit creepy because I think they think I'm a rooster and I'm not. Say hi. Say hi to everyone, Georgia. She's like, no, not on camera. Leave me alone. You know, roughly for their Pinky. That's Pinky right there. So they all have actual names. If only I can see their bands. That's actually Rocky. She got to keep her name. And she's got the gray band. Pinky has the pink band. And Bluebell has the blue band. And then Georgia has the pink band of her kind of chicken. Is that Georgia? Yeah, Georgia's got the pink band. Sunshine, who's much into the water right now, has the blue band for a blue sky. Where's the other one? And Shadow has the gray band for a cloudy sky, causing the shadow. And then of the Buffies, Becky has the pink band, Buffy has the gray band, the Silkies, Zoe has the blue band, Sophie has the pink band. I think that's it. I think that's all. Run, little Silky, run. Sometimes I still just call him Silky. They're fun. See, here's the remains of some of the garden greens that we've thrown out here. We'll go check out the garden. Georgia, yes, run, Georgia, because I usually kick you. Wait, I gotta get my phone. Oh my goodness, I could be hatching eggs as I walk around. What on earth is wrong with me? Must play Pokemon Go. Must. It's the rule. Oof. Okay. I'm good. There we go. Make sure it's on. Okay, it's on. Look at this. It's driving me crazy. There's an Ekans. For Ekans. Hey. Somewhere in the air. I don't know where. It won't pop up for me. But, anyway. Okay, let's go check out the garden. Let's chow. So you gotta, this side's a little lower. I'm just gonna go over top of it. Don't tell anyone. There we go. I made it. They're following me. There was a gap over in that corner there yesterday or the day before. We trimmed their wings so they can't fly over. Becky, you are the loudest chicken in the bunch. That Becky, I tell you what. I don't know if she's actually laying, but she sure makes a racket. Okay. Let's see. This is the asparagus. We're not supposed to harvest for the first year, so it's all ferny and pretty. Quite a few of them, considering next year there will be more. And this is the mint being crazy. There's let's see, spearmint, peppermint, no, chocolate mint. One of them is chocolate mint, one is spearmint, and one is some other kind of mint. And the potatoes in 2 of the bins have actually started growing. Well, they're pretty good now. But the 3rd bin, there's nothing except a dead twig. There's, let's see, pumpkins, all kinds of flowers, but no actual pumpkins yet. There's lots of flowers on them though. And the crazy bolting mustard leaves, the chickens love it when we trim those back and give them to them. Love the mustard greens, and they're healthy for them, so that's good. The lettuce bolted. And, ooh, I just stepped in mud. Ick. Ick. I'm going to say spinach, but I'm not positive. Not saying spinach with any authority at all. And kohlrabi with much authority, because I just asked Julie about this last night. So these 3 rows are all kohlrabi, and then there's red cabbage, and then there's regular cabbage, and then there's broccoli, which kind of turned into broccolini because it got too big. And look at the zucchinis. We've harvested so many zucchinis already. And oof, see, there's at least that many. Plus over there, there's some. There's beets here. There's fennel. There's leaf lettuce that's bolted. All of our lettuce bolted. We don't use it fast enough. Yeah. Uh-huh. Let me know if you need to know the idea of them all. I will. Yeah. But it makes them yummy broccolinis on the side. Yes. And then back there. Brussels sprouts. Oh yeah, Brussels sprouts. I can't quite see them yet. And what? Sunflowers along with fence lines. Yep, and those are sunflowers. Sunflowers. And beans. Those are pole beans. And there's eggplant over here. There's actual eggplants growing. See that one right there? Ooh, see how pretty? Pretty. There's one there. What? Oh yeah. Yeah, I said. And yeah, there are. Oh, to see that other zucchini there. Yeah, and there's some bush beans right here. Bush beans. Yep. So bush beans are doing nice. And what? Oh, on this side? Yes. Yes, acorn squash over here. I'm going to go around the other side. It's kind of muddy. I don't want to slip and fall in the mud. Because, ooh, I don't like to go mudding. marigolds still. Poor lettuce. Poor bolting lettuce. Yeah, the chickens love the lettuce. Love the lettuce. Is that what this is? This is crazy went to seed watercress. Crazy went to seed watercress. And here's basil. A couple of different kinds of basil. And chives. Here. This arugula. Yeah. And this is, look at the tomatoes. They're not ripe yet. And echinacea. Pretty. Looks like a daisy. It's not. Whoa! Oh, cucumber. Yeah. Let's see. Don't step on the cucumber. Okay. Some kind of pepper plants. Oh, banana peppers. Julie, I think these two might be ripe.
Yeah, those banana peppers are looking good. Kristen did thought we'll take those home.
Yeah.
Well, unless you want to come by them. I'm not a huge fan.
And sage. And why are your onions all bunched together?
Because that's how Dean and Chrissy planted them.
Well, they're ding-dongs.
And we were tired. I actually
So there's a whole bunch of onions.
after that. They were going to put them in just like they came in the 6-pack.
Oh, goodness.
That close.
Wow.
I got them to at least put them in a row.
And some other onions in front. And the crazy chard. We had some of that last night with dinner. And it's delightful. Oh, there's some. Yeah. More tomatoes. None of them. What? Yeah. What, pretty? What are you meowing about? Meow.